I wake to the sound of drizzle. I have to orient myself for a moment. I'm not at home. I'm in the country. We drove up last night for a weekend getaway. I planned on sitting outside and getting some fresh air this morning, reading and journaling, but Mother Nature had her own plans. I peer out the window and a soft mist has weaved itself around the trees. I feel the pull of nature. I quickly change, grabbing my rain jacket and boots. I want to stand in the mist before it dissolves. The air is warmer than usual, the rain is slow and quiet, and I exhale deeply. Soft mounds of lush green hair moss cushion the forest floor. It feels spongy under the soles of my rain boots. Runoff from the river has flooded some paths. I follow the sound of rushing water to a creek swollen by the rain. I have to be mindful of my steps. Wet leaves and mossy rocks are a slippery combination. I'm glad I chose not to hide under the covers and to get outside. I think of that famous quote, "Some people feel the rain, others just get wet."